Hello math learners! In this topic, I will discuss about multiplication of rational numbers. Steps in multiplying rational numbers. Step 1. Multiply the numerators. Step 2. Multiply the denominators. Step 3. Reduce to lowest term. Example 1. Perform the indicated operation and express the answers in simplest form. The given 3/8 times 5/6. Step 1. Multiply the numerators. 3 times 5 is 15. Second step, multiply the denominators. 8 times 6 is 48. Third step, reduce to lowest term. 15 over 48 can still be reduced into lowest term. 15 over 48, to reduce that, we divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 48 divided by 3 is 16. 5 over 16 cannot be reduced into lowest term, and if that's so, and that's our final answer. Example 2. Perform the indicated operation and express the answers in simplest form. The given 7 times 2/5. If it is a whole number like number 7, there's always a denominator of 1. Like what? 7/1 times 2/5. Step 1. Multiply the numerators. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 times 5, you need to multiply the denominators, and that's 5. 14/5. To reduce that into lowest term, as you can see, 14/5 cannot be reduced into lowest term. And if that's so, and that's your final answer. Example 3. Perform the indicated operation and express the answers in simplest form. 1 and 1/8 times 2. 1 and 1/8 is a mixed number. You need to change that into a fraction. So, to do that, you need to copy the denominator 8. For the numerator, you will do like this. 8 times 1, and that is 8. And add the numerator of 1 plus 1. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. That's why 9/8. Then 2 is a whole number, and as what I said, if it is a whole number, there is always a denominator of 1 times 2/1. Now go on to the first step. Multiply the numerators. 9 times 2 is 18. 8 times 1. Second step, multiply denominators, and that is 8. 18/8. Can we still reduce 18/8? Yes, we can still reduce 18/8 into lowest term. We divide 18/8 by 2/2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Is 9/4 can still be reduced into lowest term? No. 9/4 cannot be reduced into lowest term, and That's our final answer. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to answer the formative assessment. Thank you for listening.